Imagine for a moment that we could build a starship capable of the ultimate speed limit, a speed so immense that nothing in the universe can surpass it. I'm talking, of course, about the speed of light. Now strap yourself in, because we are about to embark on the grandest journey imaginable. We are leaving Earth behind, accelerating to nearly 300,000 kilometers every single second. The countdown has finished, the engines have ignited, and a brilliant flash marks our departure. The world as we know it disappears behind us in an instant. Our mission, to travel to the very edge of everything. The sheer scale of this endeavor is almost impossible for our minds to truly comprehend. At this phenomenal velocity, we could circle the Earth more than 7 times in a single second. It's a speed that transforms our understanding of distance and time. The familiar milestones of our solar system, which seem so impossibly far away, will soon flash past our window in mere minutes. We are not just traveling through space, we are traveling through time as well, witnessing the light from distant objects as it was long ago. Our journey is a race against the very fabric of the cosmos itself, a pursuit of a destination that is constantly in motion. How far could we truly go? If we traveled for a year, we would cover a distance known as a light year, a unit so vast it dwarfs any measurement we use on our home planet. If we traveled for 1,000 years, we would barely have begun to explore our own Milky Way galaxy. And if we could journey for billions of years, we would be venturing into the deepest, most ancient parts of the observable universe, seeing galaxies as they were in their infancy. This journey isn't just about speed, it's about perspective, and how the universe reveals its secrets one light year at a time. Our ship's chronometer begins to tick. We are now moving at light speed. The blue marble of Earth is already a distant memory, a tiny speck of light in the vast, star-dusted blackness. Everything we have ever known, every person, every place, every moment in history, is contained on that receding point. The silence of the void is absolute, broken only by the hum of our vessel as it slices through space-time. Our first marker is fast approaching. The initial leg of our journey will take us past our planet's closest celestial companion, a familiar friend in our night sky, but one we are about to see like never before. Just 1 minute has passed since our departure. Look out of the window now. We are gliding past the moon. Its cratered gray surface fills our view, a silent, desolate world suspended in the darkness. From Earth, it appears as a gentle, serene light, but from this vantage point its true nature is revealed. We can see the vast, ancient impact basins and the fine, powdery dust that coats its entire surface. It took the Apollo astronauts 3 days to make this journey. We have accomplished it in less time than it takes to boil a kettle. The scale of our solar system is already beginning to shrink before our very eyes. Our chronometer now reads 3 minutes. The view outside has changed dramatically. A brilliant, reddish-orange globe looms ahead. This is Mars, the red planet. We are so close now that we can make out the faint wisps of its thin atmosphere and the polar ice caps gleaming at its top and bottom. We can trace the outlines of Valles Marineris, a canyon system so enormous it would dwarf the Grand Canyon back on Earth. This rusty, dusty world has captivated human imagination for centuries, a potential future home for humanity. For us, on this incredible journey, it is simply a fleeting waypoint, passed in the blink of an eye. Another 5 minutes tick by, bringing our total journey time to 8 minutes. Brace yourself, for what we are about to witness is truly awesome in the most literal sense of the word. We have arrived at the heart of our solar system, the Sun. It is no longer a distant, friendly star but a colossal, raging inferno of nuclear fusion. Blindingly bright, it dominates our view, a churning sphere of plasma where temperatures reach millions of degrees. We are witnessing the raw power of the engine that drives our entire solar system, the source of all light and life on Earth. We feel its immense gravity tugging at our ship as we hurtle past. From this incredible proximity, we see the Sun not as a static object but as a living, breathing entity. Great arcs of plasma, called solar prominences, loop hundreds of thousands of kilometers into space, guided by intense magnetic fields. Dark, cooler areas known as sunspots freckle its turbulent surface, each one larger than our entire planet. To be this close to such a magnificent and violent object is a humbling experience. It reminds us of how small and fragile our own world is, nestled in the perfect habitable zone, protected from this raw, untamed power. But we cannot linger. Our journey must continue outwards, into the great unknown. Just 5 minutes after passing the sun, a profound change occurs. The familiar sights of our solar system are now far behind us. We have crossed a boundary that is both invisible and monumental. We are entering the Oort cloud. This isn't a cloud in the way we think of them on Earth. It is an immense, spherical shell of icy bodies that surrounds our solar system, extending trillions of kilometers into space. These are the forgotten remnants of the solar system's formation, a scattered collection of trillions of comets, each one a frozen time capsule from billions of years ago. We are now truly leaving home. The Oort cloud is astonishingly sparse. Despite containing trillions of objects, the space between them is vast. We are unlikely to see a single one of these icy wanderers up close as we speed through. Yet their presence marks our transition into a new realm. We have officially crossed into interstellar space, the immense gulf that separates the stars. The light from our own sun is now just one star among many, albeit the brightest. The comforting familiarity of our planetary neighborhood is gone, replaced by an endless, profound emptiness punctuated by the distant lights of other suns. Our journey now takes on a different character. The minutes that separated planets have stretched into years, centuries, and millennia. To reach the nearest star system, Proxima Centauri, would take us more than 4 years. Even at the speed of light, the vastness is staggering. We are like a single grain of sand adrift in an ocean the size of the cosmos. The darkness is not empty, however. It is filled with faint whispers of gas and dust, the raw materials from which new stars and planets will one day be born. We are traveling through the nursery of future worlds. Looking back, our own solar system has vanished. Our sun is just another point of light, indistinguishable from the countless others that fill the sky in every direction. We have traveled for what feels like an eternity, yet in cosmic terms, we have barely left our front doorstep. The Milky Way galaxy, our home, contains some 400 billion stars. To cross it from one side to the other would take us 100,000 years. The scale is almost too much to bear, a testament to the sheer grandeur of the universe we inhabit. And our ultimate destination still lies far ahead. After traveling for millions, even billions of years, the view from our starship is unrecognizable. We have left our own galaxy far behind. The Milky Way now appears as a beautiful, swirling spiral of light, just one of billions of galaxies that populate the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is an island universe, containing billions of stars of its own. We see them in all their forms, grand spirals like our own, massive elliptical galaxies, and smaller, irregular ones. We are voyaging through a cosmic tapestry woven from the light of a trillion stars. As we push further and further towards the supposed edge, a strange and wonderful truth begins to dawn on us. The further we look, the further back in time we see. We are witnessing galaxies as they were billions of years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. These are the universe's baby pictures, showing us a time when galaxies were smaller, more chaotic, and bursting with the blue light of young, hot stars. We are traveling so fast and so far that we have become cosmic archaeologists, digging through layers of time with every light year we cross. The edge of the observable universe is not a wall, but a temporal horizon. But here we encounter the final, mind-bending twist in our journey. Just as we are racing towards the edge, the universe itself is expanding. And not only is it expanding, but its expansion is accelerating. The very fabric of space-time is stretching, carrying distant galaxies away from us faster and faster. There are galaxies so far away that the space between us and them is expanding faster than the speed of light itself. Their light will never reach us, and we in turn can never reach them, no matter how fast we travel. They are beyond our cosmic horizon, forever. And so, our epic journey concludes with a profound realization. There's no edge to crash into, no final wall at the end of everything. The universe has no center and no edge. It is constantly growing, constantly evolving. Our quest to reach the edge at light speed is one we can never complete, because the finish line is always moving away from us faster than we can run. We are inhabitants of an infinite, expanding cosmos, and the true wonder is not in reaching a destination, but in the magnificent, endless journey itself.